So what we need to do now is to make sure this website looks much more beautiful and available, okay, for easy approval on AdSense. So we have this here and we have this here. This is called the front end. The front end is where you tweak things up, and the other end, okay, is the, in fact, is what people will see whenever you do the settings here. So the first thing we are going to do is to change the term. Okay, we are going to change the template. Okay, we are going to select a new template. We are going to customize it. Okay, yes, we need something much more beautiful. Okay, nice one. So you just go through all of this. You just go through all of this. Find the one that you think it's nice for you and use it. And most of the times, I normally go with simple blocks. Okay, simple blocks. So, for example, whenever you see this is two sidebars together. You can see this is two sidebars together. Then you have your block here. But I normally like it when the sidebars are both here and here, and the article is in the middle. Okay, so let me check it up. But simple blocks are always nice. They are just simple and Google loves them. Okay, simple blog. This is travel, simple blog. Okay, simple blog again. But here they are only one. Okay, this is both sides. Okay, you can still use it. Let's see here. Okay, also simple. So you can see something like this is also good. This is also good, not bad. Tasty treats. But I think, well, this is for food and all those kind of things. But you can use it for different other things. Anyway, let's try going with any of the sample blocks. Okay. But before that, let me check the one that I was using. So this is to tell you that you can change the term anytime you want. Okay. You can change the term. You can choose any of them. Okay. You can choose any of them. So here I can see. Okay. That is it. But let me go with a simple block so that you will know how to select a term if you want to change the one that you are already using. So let me come here and choose this one. Okay. So immediately you click on it, you will come to, let's say, customize. Let's see, customize. Okay, you can customize it. So we have the background. See, background image. You can decide to put an image here. Okay, yes, but I normally like it like this. You can adjust the width. Okay, you can adjust it how you want it. This is 905. It was 9 something. Okay, let me just, this is too much, because if you do it much, some of your sidebars will go to the other side. Okay, so let me make it 960. Okay, it's okay. So I won't change anything again. You can reset it to term default. Okay, now let's check the layout. So here I can change the body layout. Okay, like I told you, I like it when I have sidebar here and here. You would love to have something like this, 2 sidebars and then a place here. You can also decide to have something like that. Okay, 2 sidebars here, one at the top and then another sidebar. Okay, but I always like going with this. So let's check how it will appear here. So in this case, I have the navigation bar, we have the header, okay, and we will tweak all these things so that you get to understand. And these are where you can even add a lot of things over here. Okay, you can add other things here. So now that I've chosen this, let's check the footer layout. Okay, that is down here. I would like to go with a 3. You can decide to go with 2 when you even want to display 2 things there. And this can be your address. Okay, this can be your address, and these can be some pages that you want people to visit. Okay, now let's get to the advanced page. Here you will talk about the default, okay, the font, the default one. So since it's for article, I like going with 16. Okay, then the text color, you can decide to go with black. Okay, if you want the transparent one, people won't see certain things. Okay, so we lock it, but we use the black. So you can see that your words has changed to pure black. You can see it about me, set this log, and all those kind of things. They have changed to pure black. Okay, now that it is done, you just need to go back. Okay, you have unsaved changes that will be lost. So I will cancel this, come back. Okay, so you see here, okay, just click on it and it will save. Some gadgets may become visible. Note that by applying this term, gadgets that are currently marked hidden may become visible. No problem, because you can delete them anytime you want. Okay, you can delete them anytime you want. So let them be visible. Now that it is done, okay, you see, so this is about me. Whenever you click here, it will take you to some of my profiles. Now here is for people to search through your blog and find what is there. Okay, if someone is, let's say you talk about fonts, maybe Infinix fonts, and then I come here, maybe I'm specifically looking for Infinix Note something. I'll just type it here, and your review about that will show up, your article about that will show up. So it's just for the search. Now we have the labels. Okay, we'll get to that. So let's get back and let me refresh this page. You will see that it has changed to the new term that we choose. Okay, so let's get here. We have already chosen it. Let's get to settings. Let's get to settings. We have already chosen our term. Let's get to settings. So with settings too, you can do quite a lot of things. Okay, you can do a lot of things from the settings area. So let's get here. Here is the title. Okay, and at this junction, I think I made the thing. Okay, the phone house. Okay, that is the title, and that is what you see here. So I made it the phone. Is it the phone house review, right? So I can decide to add the reviews to it. Okay, automatically people will, it just tells people that this blog gives you reviews about phones. Whenever you talk about phones, you understand, it just gives information about phones. Yes, even a kid will get to know about this, and that is one thing much more important. So anyone who is interested in mobile phones or phones can come to your website and will spend time here reading most of the reviews because they like it. Now let's get to description. Description is to let people know what is the blog about. What is the blog about? Okay, so here I can write something like, the description can be something like, so this is a blog which talks about phones or about smartphones